We have to assemble timber loader. Ready. Now we need to fill it. Timber loader. Keep up the good work. Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Hooray!